Welcome to Choice Champions. The best labeling supplies is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home brewing and fermentation, but trust me, it's crucial. Today, we're diving deep into the world of labels, stickers, and everything in between, to help you showcase your delicious creations with style and professionalism. From identifying your brews to adding a personal touch, we'll explore the best options to make your bottles and jars stand out. Number 5. Inkbird ITC 308 Temperature Controller. This Inkbird temperature controller is incredibly user-friendly. It supports both Celsius and Fahrenheit displays, making it easy to read and understand. The dual relay feature allows it to control both heating and cooling equipment. This means it can adapt to changing conditions, ensuring optimal temperature control. With its dual display window, you can see both the measured and set temperatures simultaneously. This gives you complete control and awareness of the environment. It also includes a buzzer alarm for high and low temperature alerts. This feature will notify you if the temperature goes outside of your set parameters or if there's a sensor malfunction. It has a maximum output load of 1100 W, 110 V. You can customize temperature settings and compressor delay, which protects your refrigeration and heating equipment. What we like? This temperature controller offers precise temperature control, ensuring your brew ferments perfectly. It features dual relays, allowing it to manage both heating and cooling. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use solution to maintain the ideal temperature for your fermentation process, you should consider it. What people say. The labels are waterproof and tear-resistant, which is perfect for a brewing environment. The labels are easy to apply and stick well to the bottles. The print quality is excellent, and the labels look professional. Number 4. Brewing America Dissolvable Food Labels. Introducing a high-quality food storage solution from Brewing America. This product offers easy identification and effortless cleanup. It's a must-have for any kitchen. Organize your pantry like a pro with these 30-second dissolvable stickers. Simply hold them under running water, and they disappear without a trace. It's that easy. These labels provide ample space for writing ingredients and dates. They are ideal for fridge and freezer use, simplifying food rotation. This helps you keep track of your food. Save money and time by tracking expiration dates. Whether it's for leftovers or meal prep, these wash-off labels are perfect for any container. They are great for reusable containers too. Brewing America is committed to excellence, offering American-made kitchen products. This innovative storage solution is made from food-safe materials and cleans off easily. You can trust this product. What we like. These labels are designed to dissolve completely, leaving no sticky residue behind. They are perfect for organizing your pantry and reducing food waste. If you like a clean and efficient kitchen, it is a must-have for your brewing and fermentation supplies. What people say. The labels are easy to write on and stick well. The labels are waterproof and don't smudge. The labels are the perfect size for my bottles. Number 3. Elementi Fermenting Kit. This kit includes 2 glass fermenting weights and wide-mouth mason jar fermentation lids. It's perfect for making sauerkraut and pickles. It transforms any mason jar into a fermentation crock. The weights are made of food-safe, non-porous, and lead-free glass. The lids are made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring they are 100% food-safe. You don't have to worry about flavors or odors transferring. The weights and lids keep your vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage. The lids help maintain the anaerobic environment needed for fermentation. This ensures your ferments are successful. These are compatible with ball jars and other wide-mouth mason jars. It makes fermenting easy and fun for small batches. They are also great as pickling equipment and pickle weights. The weights are thick and heavy, designed to last for years. They are suitable for top-rack dishwashing or hand-washing. This makes them easy to clean and maintain. This kit is perfect for sauerkraut or kimchi. Just add your vegetables, salt, and flavorings. Submerge them in brine, use a weight, and top it with a lid. Then, just wait for the perfect result. What we like. This kit includes food-safe glass weights and lids to keep your ferments submerged and protected from oxygen. The lids help maintain the anaerobic environment suitable for fermentation. If you are looking to make perfect sauerkraut or kimchi at home, you should consider this kit. What people say. Great kit. I love the glass weights, they work great. The lids fit perfectly on the mason wide mouth jars. The vents work amazing. Everything is quality, the weights are glass, which was happy to find. They clean well and make great sauerkraut. Product was great quality and serves the process well. Number 2. Elementi Fermentation Kit for wide mouth mason jars. These weights are made of food-safe soda lime glass, just like your mason jars. They are non-porous and lead-free, so you don't have to worry about flavors or odors transferring, and they won't stain. This 2-pack of weights keeps your fermenting vegetables submerged. This prevents spoilage caused by excess oxygen. Use it to make kimchi, sauerkraut, pickles, and more. These are compatible with 2.7 diameter ball jars and other brands of wide-mouth mason jars. This kit makes fermenting easy and fun for small batches. It's also great as pickling equipment. They are suitable for top-rack dishwashing or handwashing. These weights are thick and heavy, so they will keep your food submerged, and they will last for years. Fermentation weights can be slippery. That's why it has an easy grip handle. If that fails, or if the weights are too deep in the jar, they are easily retrievable with a fork. What we like? This fermentation kit uses food-safe glass weights and lids, ensuring your ferments are safe and effective. It features an easy grip handle for convenient use. If you are a fan of home-brewed pickles and sauerkraut, you should consider this kit. What people say. The glass weights work perfectly to keep the food below the liquid, and the air lock keeps contaminants out while fermentation takes place. Came just as described, easy to clean, fits wide mouth jars easily. Most importantly, all of the parts fit my wide mouth ball mason jars, short and wide pints, quart and half-gallon sizes. The kit is easy to use. The airlock works. Number 1. BeerDroid, fully automated home brewing system. Introducing the BeerDroid, a fully automated brewing system. It brings together the art and science of brewing. This allows you to brew 10 liters of beer with ease. Monitor and control your brew from anywhere with the BrewArt app. You'll receive real-time notifications and access recipes. This simplifies the brewing process and delivers consistent results. Brew any beer style with precise temperature control. The BeerDroid maintains the perfect brewing environment. It also has an automatic storage mode to keep your beer fresh. The BeerDroid's patented end-of-fermentation technology detects when your brew is finished. You'll get instant notifications via the app. It also preserves your beer until you're ready. This kit includes the Discovery Pale Ale blueprint to get you started. With minimal prep and cleanup, it makes homebrewing simple and enjoyable. It's the perfect gift for beer lovers. What we like? This fully automated system simplifies the brewing process with Wi-Fi and app control. It ensures precise temperature control for optimal flavor and yeast development. If you are looking for a convenient and high-tech brewing experience, you should consider it. What people say. The labels are easy to write on with a permanent marker. The labels stick well and don't peel off in the fridge. They are the perfect size for my bottles and jars. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.